One day, we might no longer need soldiers, because those who fight won't be humans, but computers and algorithms. Artificial intelligence is already finding its way into militaries around the world. It helps analyze massive amounts of data, control drones, and even train soldiers in virtual reality. And in the future, these systems could save thousands, maybe even millions of lives. Today, we will look at 5 of the most advanced AI systems that are already changing how wars are fought. From realistic simulations to real-time battlefield analysis. Let's dive in. These aren't just names. They are weapons that can detect a target on their own and take it out. These systems are widely used in Israel. They are fully autonomous weapons capable of recognizing objects, evaluating threats, and preparing to strike. Still, they remain under human supervision, and operators must approve every engagement. Sentry tech are defensive towers equipped with cameras, sensors, and machine guns. They monitor their surroundings and can perform a precise strike if a threat is detected. Harpy and Harp, on the other hand, belong to a class called loitering munitions. Drones that patrol over a designated area, search for a target, and when they find it, turn it into kamikaze drones and destroy it. These systems rely on advanced computer vision algorithms and signal recognition AI. But that's exactly what makes them controversial. They are on the edge of ethics, a first real step towards autonomous killing. And the question remains, is it right? Military drones produce enormous amounts of footage. For humans, that means hours or even days of analysis. For AI, mere seconds. Project Maven was built to handle that chaos. It automatically analyzes drone and satellite footage, recognizing terrain, vehicles, people, and weapons. Then, it determines whether something is a threat and prioritizes targets accordingly. In practice, what takes human hours, AI can filter in minutes, with over 90% accuracy. In its early stages, Google was one of the partners on the project, but after the employee protests against the military use of AI, the company withdrew. Today, Project Maven shows both the power and the risk of artificial intelligence. It's an incredibly useful security tool, but imagine if it were deployed on a larger scale. What if entire cities were monitored this way? Would it still be acceptable? Loyal Wingman, the third arm of a fighter pilot. That's one way to describe it. It's a fully autonomous companion drone that flies alongside piloted fighter jets. Using data from radars, cameras, and sensors, it decides on its own whether to protect its pilot or engage the enemy directly. It currently supports aircraft like the F-35s and F-A-18s and can perform complex missions from reconnaissance to combat. It operates completely autonomously, yet always under human oversight. Developed with Boeing, Australia plans that by 2040, drones like this will make up 70% of its entire air fleet. Loyal Wingman isn't just another drone. It's an AI pilot that learns from every mission and never loses focus. It looks like a video game on steroids. Modern military training no longer happens only on the shooting range. Armies are now using AI simulators that soldiers enter through VR or AR headsets. These simulators generate full virtual battlefields, cities, deserts, forests, and they behave almost exactly like the real world. AI responds to the soldier's actions and dynamically adapts the mission. If the squad performs well, the enemy becomes smarter. If mistakes are made, AI reacts instantly. The system also tracks biometric data, heart rate, stress level, aiming precision, allowing it to evaluate how soldiers perform under pressure. One of the leading systems, Synthetic Training Environment, or STE, combines VR, AR, AI, and motion sensors to analyze movement, tactics, and teamwork in real time. The result? Faster learning, cheaper training, and the ability to simulate dangerous scenarios. That would be impossible in real life. And honestly, I would love to try that myself. Who wouldn't want to play an advanced AI shooter in VR that actually teaches you how to win? This is like a sixth sense for fighter pilots. Dogfights. That's what aerial battles between fighter jets are called. And the goal of DARPA ACE, short for Air Combat Evolution, is to give pilots a new kind of instinct. An AI partner that thinks faster than they can. Here's how it works. During a fight, AI tracks the enemy's movement, speed, position, and trajectory. It then suggests a maneuver or a tactic, and the pilot can approve or reject it. Over time, both the pilot and the AI learn from each other, making reactions faster, sharper, and even more precise. The system can react within milliseconds, giving pilots the edge they would never achieve alone. DARPA ACE isn't meant to replace the pilot. It's designed to fight alongside them, a digital wingman. The most famous example is the Alpha Dogfight test from 2020, where an AI by Heron Systems defeated a veteran F-16 pilot 5-0. And that is just the beginning. This AI keeps learning from every single battle. From autonomous towers to high-tech digital wingmen. These were 5 AI systems that modern armies are already using today. But what comes next? What new technologies will artificial intelligence bring to the battlefield in coming years? And more importantly, is it even right or ethical for AI to take part in warfare? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. On screen right now, you will see a video that YouTube thinks you will enjoy the most. If it does, go for it. You might learn something new about AI. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video here on Explainect.